We live. I learned Mama Charlie with the person who pushed the bomb. Hell, the first real person. And then someone just pushed against it. But I
Yeah, goddamn right. That meth boy. Shit. You tell him, girlfriend. White folks got the right to smoke meth and to exercise their Prop 47 rights. Goddamn right. That's what I'm talking about.
Hey, why gotta be about white?
Yep, there you go. Well, you see the blacks is normal. I see, I got a clear... Hey, all I want to know.
I think that's heroin.
See what I'm saying? This is what they allow us to be subjected to. These crazy ass motherfuckers that got all kind of methamphetamine diseases, Prop 47 viruses, and a little bit of corona. This is what the fuck that we subjected to, homie. Yet and still that they talk about that we need to keep an eye on these black people. And I'll even give it a little black and brown coalition. Dog, this bitch is crazy, homie. And she on that shit. And he got the damn ass. Dog.
I've not killed John, J-O-N. John chose to choose someone. He's hoping that he will understand that I won't felt and understood to kill him. He said die. He said die. She couldn't make up her decision next week, so she couldn't even make Stephanie not. She's the only person ever who couldn't make a decision.